Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I will show you guys how to generate YouTube title and description in SEO friendly way. So it's actually really practical to do. I've done this since last year, I think, and not all of my video good serve on YouTube, but it is easier for me to decide which title or description that's suitable for my video. So I will explain the concept first. The first one, you have to record your video. After you record your video, obviously it's supposed to be there is a uh, voiceover like me, like this. You must be upload video that has sound or human sound like me. If you're not doing that, this video not suitable for you. So after you record the videos, the podcast, the storytelling, anything, after you record, you upload it into the YouTube. Later I will show you how to do it exactly. This is only the concept. After you upload, wait until 100% processed by YouTube. Not published yet, but you just upload it and then wait until it 100% processed by YouTube. Which means if it's already processed by YouTube, it has the transcript. So the YouTube will transcribe easily your video into a text, which is the sound, the voiceover sound on your video. Now become a transcript. You grab your transcript and then go to the ChatGPT and then do it. Ask ChatGPT to create title and description. Later I will give you the prompt and then do it publish. Easy. So let's get started how to doing that. So I will find my YouTube channel. Actually, I manage several YouTube channel. This is my own YouTube channel from Indonesia. I have 32,000 32k subscribers. On this video I will demo to you this video. For instance, okay, so let's say this video I never published before. So after I upload it, oh wait, do I have a draft? Yes, I have a draft. So I will show you using the draft video. I will find draft, but this is not oops. But this is not English language, so no problem. I will show you only the step by step. See, I have draft videos. For instance, on this one, I will go it to the YouTube view on YouTube, and then pause it. You don't need to watch your video, and then go to this more, and then there is an option of show transcript. You click show transcript, and then copy it to ChatGPT. Copy the transcript, and then I will copy the prompt that I already created. This is the prompt. I copy the prompt and then hit the enter, and then suddenly eventually the ChatGPT will give you the see the title option. My prompt is give 5 title option, SEO friendly description, also the tags, the hashtags, I mean, and then the tags, and also the last thing is the thumbnail text option. So you can choose by yourself. You can cherry picking which one is suitable for you and easy. So that's it. If you want this prompt, you can fill in the Google form uh, on the description below. After you fill in, it's very simple Google form. I just want to ask you who you are, and then I want to know my audience on this channel. And then after you fill in the prompt, you will be given the prompt that I use on this demo. Okay, that's it. This tutorial. I hope your YouTube journey would flourish. You will success on YouTube, and uh I hope I doing so. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.